Body sounds in English. Sneeze. The pepper was so strong that it made me sneeze as soon as I took a bite. An unexpected sneeze disrupted the calm atmosphere of the art gallery. Sniff. She picked up a leaf from the ground and brought it to her nose to sniff its natural fragrance. She leaned over to take a sniff of the delicate white flower. Scream. The horror film was so terrifying that it made me scream out loud. The child's scream alerted the parents to the danger. Laugh. Her witty remarks always make us laugh out loud. Her sense of humour is amazing. She knows how to have a laugh in any situation. Blow. Children love to blow the dandelion and watch the fluffy seeds float away. Try to put the candles out in one blow. Belch or burp. Both words mean the same thing, but burp is the milder and more polite way to talk about it, while belch is a bit stronger and less polite. The fizzy drink caused him to belch loudly during the meeting unexpectedly. The toddler giggled and then gave a loud belch. The baby burped contentedly after being gently patted on the back. She discreetly covered her mouth after a small burp escaped. Clap. He clapped his hands to get the attention of the group before starting his presentation. The teacher's encouraging words received appreciative claps from the students. Crack the knuckles. Some people have a habit of cracking their knuckles when they feel nervous. Gargle. She gargled with warm salt water to soothe her throat. Cough. The dusty room made him cough and he opened a window for fresh air. He excused himself from the table due to a persistent cough. Hiccup. It's common to hiccup when you consume carbonated drinks or eat too fast. She held her breath in an attempt to stop the hiccup. Snap the fingers. She snapped her fingers and the waiter quickly came over to take their order. Whisper. She leaned in close to his ear to whisper a secret. The classroom was so quiet that the students were speaking in whispers. Snore. It's hard to share a room with someone who snores heavily. The peaceful night was interrupted by his loud snore. Whistle. She whistled to the dog to stop it from chasing the squirrels in the garden. Just before the final whistle, the visiting team scored a dramatic goal. Yawn. He yawned and stretched his arms after a refreshing nap. She tried to conceal her yawn behind her hand. Tap the fingers. She couldn't sit still and began to tap her fingers on the table nervously. Sigh. Hearing the sad news, he sighed deeply and looked down. His sigh was a clear indication of his weariness after a long journey.